Brainy Buzzy presents 12 foods to prevent and treat depression and anxiety. When you feel depressed, there are many things you can do to fight it. For instance, the food you eat directly impacts your psychological well-being. Thus, one of the most helpful steps you can take is to amend your diet to get adequate amounts of all nutrients that prevent poor mental health. If you feel the telltale signs of depression rearing their ugly heads, make sure you eat these 12 foods often. Here are some of the foods that prevent and treat depression and anxiety. Number 1. Walnuts. The hormone serotonin helps to stabilize mood. An amino acid called tryptophan is essential for the production of serotonin. Your body cannot synthesize tryptophan, so you must get it from your diet. Walnuts are an excellent source of tryptophan. Walnuts also contain other omega-3 fatty acids, all of which help with depression and anxiety. Number 2. Avocado. If you are not a fan of walnuts, avocados are another excellent source of tryptophan, a key ingredient in serotonin synthesis. Avocados also have a myriad of other health benefits. Consume at least half an avocado every day. If you find the fruit bland, blend it into a salad. Alternatively, make it into guacamole and eat it with salsa. Number 3. Leafy greens. Kale, chard, collard greens, rapini, and arugula leaves are all great choices of vegetables if battling depression is your objective. They help with anxiety, support optimal brain function, and protect against cognitive decline. Ensure your stir-fries, soups, and salads contain dark leafy greens to safeguard your mental health. Number 4. Onions. For mental wellness, your brain requires adequate amounts of serotonin. Some compounds impede serotonin synthesis. Onions block these compounds, so your body can create more serotonin. Onions are great eaten raw in salads or sandwiches. They taste yummy when cooked in soups, stews, stir-fries, and other hot meals. However, some people find the taste of onion too strong. If you are one such individual, consider taking onion supplements instead. That way, you can enjoy the health benefits onions offer without enduring the taste. Number 5. Mushrooms. Mushrooms can help you combat depression and anxiety for 2 reasons. Firstly, they contain a lot of potassium, which can help with anxiety. Secondly, mushrooms are rich in an antioxidant called ergothioneine. This antioxidant helps reduce oxidative stress on all cells, including those in the brain. Less oxidative stress on the brain cells may help reduce feelings of anxiety and depression. The cuisines of many nations include mushroom dishes. Thus, it is easy to find recipes that include mushrooms in cookbooks and online. Do you like garlic? If so, a simple, vegan-friendly, yet delicious way to cook mushrooms is to sauté them in olive oil with fresh garlic. Number 6. Blueberries. When you eat a handful of blueberries each day, it can help to regulate your emotions and stabilize your mood. There is an antioxidant flavonoid called anthocyanin in blueberries. This flavonoid makes you less prone to depression and reduces inflammation throughout the body. Blueberries taste great on their own, in fruit salads, in yogurts, in oatmeal, and as a pie filler. You can also blend blueberries into a juice or smoothie. Number 7. Beans. Beans are full of tryptophan, the amino acid needed for serotonin synthesis. There is also a lot of magnesium in beans. Magnesium can help to boost your mood and overall mental health. You can have beans on toast, make soup with them, add them to salads, or use them to make dips. If you go online, you will find countless international recipes with beans. For instance, cuisine from many South American countries often uses beans. You are sure to find a recipe that appeals to you. Number 8. Seeds. Seeds such as chia seeds and flax seeds can help you to beat depression and poor mental health. Such seeds contain beneficial nutrients such as omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and fiber. Having plenty of fiber in your diet reduces inflammation in the gut. This reduced inflammation means it is easier for your body to absorb more nutrients the body uses to make neurotransmitters, such as serotonin. Muesli, breakfast cereal, and certain types of bread contain plenty of healthy seeds. You can also buy trail mixes with seeds, nuts, and dried fruits. Number 9. Tomatoes. Tomatoes can help you keep depression at bay because they have a carotenoid called lycopene in them. Lycopene is an antioxidant, It can help combat stress damage to brain neurons. Eat tomatoes at least twice a week to help with depression symptoms. Tomatoes make a superb addition to salads and sandwiches. However, tomatoes have more nutritional value once cooked. To get the maximum nutrition out of your tomatoes, cook them in a pasta sauce. Number 10. Oily fish. Oily fish such as salmon and mackerel contain lots of omega-3 fatty acids. Your body metabolizes omega-3 fatty acids into lipid mediators. Having more lipid mediators in your bloodstream can boost your mental health. Avoid consuming oily fish more than twice per week because it also contains a dangerous metal called mercury, which does not benefit brain health. There are many ways to include oily fish in your diet. For instance, you can make a smoked salmon sandwich, eat some sushi, or use mackerel and mayonnaise to create a delicious creamy paste to enjoy on bread. Number 11. Poultry. Chicken and turkey contain a lot of tryptophan, which your body uses to make the neurotransmitter serotonin. If you are not a vegetarian, eat some poultry daily to keep your brain working well and your mental health strong. Chicken and turkey are both versatile. You can use them to make so many dishes it would take too long to list them in this article. If you are looking for something uncomplicated to make, you can roast poultry, make it into a pasta sauce, put it in a curry, or have it in a sandwich. Number 12. Probiotic dairy products. Add probiotic dairy products such as drinks and live yogurt to your diet if you wish to avoid feeling blue. Microorganisms in these probiotic dairy products stimulate the production of neurotransmitters that directly impact your mood, appetite, and circadian rhythm. Why not start your day with a probiotic dairy drink and see whether it improves your mental health? Eat them often. You can eat most foods mentioned in this article daily. The only exception is oily fish. Oily fish contains the metal mercury, so you should eat it no more than twice a week. To help avoid depression and anxiety, eat all the other foods daily, if possible. A happier life. By amending your diet to include more depression-fighting foods, you help to guarantee a happier life in the future. Why not start looking online and in cookbooks for inspiration so you can eat them more often?
If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends, so we can keep making them. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button, and remember to click on the notification bell. Thanks for watching.